Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making snowman bird feeders. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, scissors, bird feed, a spoon, a black pen, peanut butter, an egg carton, red fabric, I used felt, and orange construction paper. First we're going to make the snowman's face. So I'm going to draw some eyes on him. And I'm going to draw a mouth. And then I'm going to draw some buttons on him. And then I'm going to glue his nose on. I cut a triangle out of orange paper. I have to cut that down a little. There we go. And then I'm going to tie the red felt as a scarf for him. Like that. Now we're going to add the peanut butter. Just going to put it in the back of him. And then we're going to add the bird seed. And you can add as much as you want. And that is our snowman bird feeder. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.